Ang Anda Bridge po ay na-construct noong 1992 at gawa po ito sa mga steel recycled materials galing sa Carmen Bridge na nag-collapse noong 1990 dahil sa killer earthquake. Ang Anda Bridge po ay may 400 meters po. Matatagpuan po ito sa may Takiputan Channel. Ang main transportation po bago na-construct ang Anda Bridge ay through barge.
This is a testament of how resilient Andanians are despite of the physical distance from the mainland.
Ang pagkakaalam po namin, ang barge na yun ay kasalukuyan pong ginagamit ng ibang town.
Because of the establishment of Anda Bridge, tourism and commerce flourished. This now is the gateway to the continuous development of the town.